We're here with Lucy in the kitchen. I told Lucy when I walked over here, I love your yellow shirt. I love the bright color, and I love the message behind it too.
I know. I wish I would have told you. I didn't even think
I
about
would
it.
have wore yellow. Absolutely.
Yes. Our whole family is asking all of our friends and family to wear yellow today. My cousin, Catherine Galanis Vickers, is having surgery today after a 3-year battle with foot cancer, and she's had multiple surgeries, and today she's going to have to get her foot and a portion of her leg amputated. Yes, there she is with her husband, Chris, and their little girl, Abby. Abby is going to be 4 in October. And Catherine, yeah, her dad, Abby's dad, Catherine's husband, Chris, is a firefighter for our city. They are a wonderful family. And Catherine is my first cousin. I have 2 sisters, and Catherine has 2 sisters. We grew up down the street from each other.
Yeah.
Our moms are sisters, and so we are just very close to them, and she has been incredible. I mean, through the whole thing, just such a positive attitude. And yeah, there's Abby. Abby is a very vibrant little girl. She is a hoot. As you can see, she has bright red curly hair.
I love it.
And she is a mess. She is adorable, and they're so dear. And so I was so happy that you know, her surgery ended up on a Wednesday, so that way everybody out there could hopefully add Catherine to their prayers today.
Prayers and well wishes. You know, if it's anything like my family, my first cousins are like my brothers and sisters.
Yeah, exactly.
So I know that's very important to you. So hopefully they may be watching this morning, or the message will get to them. So best of luck. Going to get through this, and it's going to be great.
It is going to be great. And so I thought today, in honor of Catherine, I would make a Greek salad. So like I said, Catherine Galanis, so they're my cousins, and of course they're Greek. So when I brought Spiro home, you know, they were happy.
Real happy.
I felt good. You know, I kind of knew a little bit about, you know, Greek people, because we grew up going to the Greek church with them and everything. So, but Catherine always makes the best Greek salad. So today I thought we would do that. I'm sure it's not going to be as good as hers, but and I'm just going to add chicken on it today. So they always made this Greek salad with this Cavender's dressing and rice wine vinegar, and we'll get to that later. But I thought we could marinate our chicken first. So I just grabbed 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm going to add just about a tablespoon of olive oil. We're not going to zest today.
No zesting?
No, you're going to be disappointed. But you totally could if you wanted to.
Zesting.
Yep. So I'm just going to do the
You know what else I love? How when you marinate things. I love the Ziploc. I do. I think it's so easy. I think it's so convenient just to throw, you know, your stuff in a Ziploc bag, throw it in the refrigerator. I know you do that a lot with your pork loin.
I do, and it's so easy, like you said, and then you don't have to clean up anything. And
that's really the part.
Yeah, that's really the part I like too. So I did the juice of half of a lemon. I'm going to do a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and then I'm just going to do a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of dried oregano, and that's going to be it. So in this one, the lemon juice is pretty strong, and so we're just going to let this marinate for, I mean, if you have 10 minutes, if you have 30 minutes, you know, up to 2 hours. And I have some in the fridge that we can cook off in a bit.
Okay.
So all we're going to do is just mix this together.
Of course, the longer it marinates, the better. But you said, and again, with your pork tenderloin, I know you've told me that before, you know, if you have 30 minutes, that'll be just fine.
Yeah, it will. It will. And that's the good thing about doing, you know, a quick rub, a dry rub, or a marinade. You know, if you don't have a ton of time, it's just going to get that flavor in there really quickly. So at this point, you could either grill it, you know, it's grilling season, or you could bake it off, or like we're going to do today, just going to saute it.
Hey, we have to mention real quick, I saw on your Instagram page, on the Greer's Instagram page that I shared on ours, coloring contest.
Yeah, yes. All of our stores have coloring contests, and if you go in any of our stores, you can get the coloring sheets there, or you can go to our website and print them off. And so it's something really fun for the kids, and the stores, you know, post the pictures that are colored up, and I love seeing those. And then they'll win a prize. So any kids out there, especially now that it's summer, I know my kids love to color. So yes, it's lots of fun. So go in any Greer's, you can get your coloring sheets. It's really fun.
All right, we're going to continue to work on this. Of course, we have to get an update on Lucy about the new store in Robertsdale, so we'll talk about that. And of course, continuing to work on our salad this morning, so be sure to stay with us. Joe?